Welcome to Mushroom Solutions, where innovation meets automation. Discover our digital transformation features, recommendations for data-driven decisions, Conversational Bot Framework for smarter interactions, SEO SEM to enhance your online presence, AR virtual decoration to transform spaces, AR measuring tape for precise measurements, virtual workforce training for immersive learning, Prescreener for efficient recruitment, personalized medications management, medication reminder app to stay on track. Revolutionize operations with IoT Digital Twins, overall equipment effectiveness for maximum productivity, precision agriculture for optimized farming, smart meter analytics for efficient energy use, smart retail inventory management to keep track, IoT Hub for seamless connectivity, predictive maintenance to prevent failures, RFID tracking for better asset management. Unlock potential with AI/ML solutions, federated learning for collaborative training, synthetic data generation for robust models, anomaly detection to spot unusual patterns, generative AI for innovative content, deep learning to uncover data insights, sentiment analysis to understand public opinion, predictive analytics for future trends, natural language processing for language understanding. Mushroom Solutions, innovating the future. Visit our website